Okay, so this is our circuit, and we're asked to find the total resistance in the circuit. So if we look at our circuit, we have a 5-volt source, and we have 4 resistors, R1, R2, R3, and R4, right? And they have their respective resistance. Now, if we look at this circuit closely, we'll see that this is a series circuit, right? So we can make a note of that we're working with a series circuit. And again, we want to find the total resistance in the circuit. And we know that for a series circuit, the total resistance, let's call it RT, is equal to R1 plus R2 plus up to whatever number of resistance. We call that Rn. Now in this circuit here, we have 4 resistors, so we can utilize our formula with 4 values of resistance. So let me just write right now. So we'll say RT is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4, and then we can substitute our values in. So the value of R1 is 10 ohms plus R2 is 5 ohms, R3 is 7 ohms, and R4 is 3 ohms. So if we take the sum of these resistors, we will find the total resistance. So 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 7 is 22, and 22 plus 3 is 25. So the value of our total resistance is 25 ohms, right? So again, to find the value of resistors in series, we simply take the sum of all the individual resistors. And the reason why this is a series circuit is because current only has one path to flow throughout the circuit here. So again, this is Junior Roberts with realjuniorroberts.com. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, share it, post any questions or comments below, and thank you for watching.